Hey everybody, so there's just one more week to go before the first day of our Collab 365 event, and that's going to be Beginner's Day, which is taking place on Wednesday the 15th of July, and it's going to contain 7 sessions all aimed at pure beginners in a different set of Microsoft 365 products. So first session is Paul Mather, and he's going to be presenting an introduction to Project, and that's for both Project Online Desktop or Project for the web, and he's going to show you how to learn to get started with Microsoft's project management tools. Following Paul, we have April Dunnam, and our favourite SharePoint siren will be taking you through the basics of SharePoint with her introduction. Next up is Nate Chamberlain. He absolutely loves OneNote and is always very enthusiastic, so he's going to provide a wonderful session on introduction to OneNote. Laura Graham-Brown is up next, and she starts with the very basics of Power BI and walks you through how to create your very first Power BI report. Matt Weston follows up with an introduction to Power Automate, and he takes you through creating your first flow from either using a Power Automate template or also how to do one completely from scratch. That's brilliant. Ben Steggink has a demo-based session looking at Microsoft Teams and how to use it, and he shares some of his favourite tips which are perfect for anybody just starting out with Microsoft Teams. And wrapping up the day, we have Wonder Laura, and her session is going to be looking at Power Apps and taking you from zero to creating the simplest of Power Apps at the end of her session. So if that sounds like something you'd like to take part in, then registration is free. Once you register, that gets you access to all 3 events, so the July the 15th date, August 11th and 12th, and also September 8th to the 11th. So all of those events are included in just one simple registration, and that will allow you to watch all of those events free of charge on the day that they're actually being broadcast. If you want to watch them again on demand, then an all-access pass is available for on-demand access after those events are over. So you can re-watch and watch your favourite sessions again and again and again, and also get a whole heap of other goodies that are included in the all-access pass. So all-access pass is available, but registration is completely free to attend on the days for Beginner's Day as part of GlobalCon3, and I really hope to see you all there. Bye for now.